The system that we're replacing today, the array had issues going forward. We've been doing on-site monitoring for the customer, and in the last 6 months have found that the panels have degraded and having issues. So we were able to identify that on site, and then on our recommendations we recommended a high quality panel because the customer was actually shocked that they had to replace panels going forward. We gave them the option of using a high quality product so they've got peace of mind for the next 25 years in regards to their system. The old panels that were up on the roof obviously had been installed for a number of years. Earth resistance has been down in the system. When we went to site and tested, we found that some of the panels had a zero output on them and weren't performing to what they were meant to. So we discussed with the customer in regards to replacing the system with something better quality so he had a good system going forward. The panels that were on the roof were definitely dead. They had multiple issues and stuff like that. The best course of action going forward was to obviously remove those panels and replace them. We have definitely found that there's been an increase in system replacements. This is mainly due to cheaper systems being installed or less quality workmanship. If it's going to fail, will be sort of after the 3-year period. After that 3 years, with the Australian conditions, you'll find that the systems are going to start to deteriorate fairly quickly after that point. The panels coming off, they decided to go a high quality system. Obviously they've now realised that the system that they had on originally has failed. So when we provided them with the details going forward, it was probably a natural step that they were going to look at upgrading the system to a higher wattage sort of panel.